Yes, so what go on people, we wanna deal with respect for tuning into another video. So coming up in this video today, viewers and subscribers, well, we have some very sad news for Govana viewers and subscribers, because Aidonia has lost his 9-year-old son due to cancer, viewers and subscribers. So we have more for giving upon that. Also in other news, Govana lost his sister to surgery the same day, viewers and subscribers. So you know, so at the end of the day, yeah, the 4th camp in morning, viewers and subscribers, you understand. Also, yeah, me I go show you a clip where Movado shell down a stage show, you understand, in the Barbados, you understand what I mean. So at the end of the day, viewers and subscribers, so don't just stay tuned for all of that. But first, we're going to start it off with Idonia, viewers and subscribers. Well, as you all know, because it is circulating on the internet, viewers and subscribers, that Idonia has lost his 9-year-old son. You understand what I mean? Yeah. And at the end of the day, yeah, we hear the story from yesterday, viewers and subscribers, but true, we couldn't confirm anything at the moment. So whenever they push out and really come give you a video, viewers and subscribers, you understand. But you don't know, at the end of the day, it is never good, you understand, and it is never nice. It's never a nice feeling for lost someone, especially a son at the age of 9, viewers and subscribers, you understand what I mean. So basically, everybody, artists and media personality, yeah, send out them love to Idonia, etc. And I make the 4th camp know, say, yo, condolence, and you understand what I mean, viewers and subscribers. And I heard that Idonia's son at the end of the day, yeah, them say a cancer take him with, viewers and subscribers. So you don't know at the end of the day, while most people did a judge and I say, yo, Idonia nah do much in the business, and due to how long him in the business, at the end of the day, him not achieve nothing great. But definitely them never know say Idonia fight him own secret battle, viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? Just for know say him son of cancer. I don't know if this is Idonia only child, viewers and subscribers, but me know say the only child between him and Kim, viewers and subscribers, him wife. And you don't know, just condolence goes out to Idonia, because at the end of the day, viewers and subscribers, you can know where I go through, because it is never easy. You understand what I mean? For lose a loved one, etc, etc. And you don't know in these times and to how this happened to viewers and subscribers, we never did know, because as you can even look upon him son, viewers and subscribers, in these pictures, he never look sick to it. You understand what I mean? And for know say, yeah, the artist did really go through this thing, for know say, yo, him son have cancer at the end of the day, you know what I mean? And then now him passed away, viewers and subscribers. So we just want everybody send out them love to Idonia, yeah, the 4th camp, etc. You understand what I mean? But viewers and subscribers, as soon as we get more information on this, yeah, we are going to just make you know to see him speed. But well, people, I guess the 4th camp, yeah, is not in a good mood, in a good vibes, etc. right now, viewers and subscribers, because Govana has also lost his sister, viewers and subscribers, to surgery complications. At first, yesterday, everybody did say, yo, it happened in the DR, etc, etc. But people, we get to find out say it really happened in Mexico, viewers and subscribers, and she leave the previous day. Before you can see, she even post some video, viewers and subscribers, when she died at the airport and when she left on the plane, etc, etc, viewers and subscribers, you understand. And at the end of the day, she's a member of the 4th camp, you understand. I don't know if it is Aidonia biological sister, or yeah, him just a refer to her as a sister, viewers and subscribers, you understand what I mean? But basically, you don't know, so the 4th camp are more now, viewers and subscribers, and it is not easy. Govana even posted a picture on his Instagram story. And even in that Instagram story, viewers and subscribers, Govana also stated that real love my have for my sister, R.I.P. So at the end of the day, as well, I say, we don't really know if a Govana a biological sister, but we know say at the end of the day, somebody wrong Govana, because we see them take whole heap of picture, etc, etc, together, viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? So right now, you don't know say at the end of the day, the 4th camp kind of, you know, in the morning, and yeah, we just send out with condolence to all of the family and loved ones of these people, which is Samantha, 4th gen viewers and subscribers, and also Aidonia son. And you don't know, people, you just show them the love and support right now. Because as when I said before, yeah, it never easy for loss a loved one. You understand what I mean? So big up the 4th gen cam same way. Also carrying on now in this other news now, people. Well, Movado shell down Barbados because as you know, yeah, the artist is in Barbados right now, viewers and subscribers, and you don't know, so anyway Movado perform, him always give out 110 etc, and him also even make we know say at the end of the day there is more to come in 2023 at the end of the day. So you don't know, people, we are going to show on the performance there on shell down the place, totally dominate it, and you understand what I mean, viewers and subscribers, cause you don't know. So me I go leave on with the video, the people, but first remember to give this video a like, yeah, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the post notification. You don't know, share the video so that other people can also be in the know to see him, because you don't know wherever I go on the latest. So viewers and subscribers, check out the video.